Hi my dear students, today we are going to talk about the LSA and TSA of cuboid. Let's remember the cuboid. Okay, here we know that the cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each two opposite faces are equal in area and perimeter. So, if we open the cuboid, we can find that we have 4 lateral faces like this. Side face 1 and face 2 and face 3 and face 4 are lateral faces. Lateral faces. Okay. And we know that this is the 3 dimensions. When we open the cuboid, we can find that this is length and this is height, and this is width and this is height, this is length and this is height, and this is width and this is height. Okay, area of face 1. Area of face 1 means length by height. Area of face 2, width by height. Area of face 3, length by height. Area of face 4, width by height. So if I want to calculate lateral area, we will add all of this, length by height. Area of face 1 plus area of face 2 plus area of face 3 plus area of face 4, length by height plus length plus width by height plus length by height plus width by height. We know that the distribution property, we talk about it we talk about it like, okay, so we will take height as a common, so it will be length plus width plus length plus width by height. Okay, length plus width plus length plus width, it's a perimeter. It's a perimeter. So يبقى lateral area of cuboid equal perimeter of base by height. Lateral area of cuboid, keep it well, perimeter of base by height. Okay, let's draw the magic triangle. LSA, perimeter by height. Okay, so if we want to calculate lateral, we will hide lateral, so it will be perimeter by height. If I want to calculate perimeter, it will be lateral over height. If we want to calculate height, it will be lateral over perimeter. Total area. If we have cuboid with a lip, so we have 6 faces. So it will be lateral area plus 2 area of the 2 bases, or 2 times base area. So TSA equal LSA plus 2 times base area. If I want to calculate lateral area, do you remember the equations? Okay, it will be TSA. This is go outside with different sign. It will be minus 2 times base area. But if I want to calculate base area, it means TSA minus LSA over 2. If we have cuboid without a lip, so it will be missing one of these bases. TSA equal lateral plus 1 base area, so it will be base area. If I want to calculate lateral, it will be TSA minus base area. If I want to calculate base area, it will be TSA minus LSA. We have 4 steps to solve any problem of LSA and TSA of cuboid. Number 1, perimeter of base. If the base is a rectangle, so or it has a rectangular base, or it has a squared base. We know that we have special cases of the cuboid with a squared base. So if we have rectangular base, it means the perimeter equal length plus width by 2. If the squared base, it means the perimeter will be side by 4. Step 2, after calculating the perimeter of the base, we will calculate the lateral area. Lateral area equal perimeter of base by height. So it's a step 1, perimeter of base. If we have rectangular base, length plus width by 2. If we have a squared base, it will be side by 4. Step 2, LSA equal perimeter of base by height. Step 3, base area. Okay, rectangular base, it will be length by width. Squared base, it will be side by side. Step 4, calculating TSA. TSA, if it was with a lead or without a lead. With a lead, it will be LSA plus 2 times base area. Without a lead, LSA plus base area. Let's see an example. Calculate the lateral area and total area of cuboid, which dimensions are 10 and 8 and 2 centimeters. Okay, first step, perimeter of the base. Never forget the steps. Okay, here we have 3 dimensions. It means we have length and width and height. So it will be length plus width by 2. It will be 10 plus 8 by 2 equal 36. Step 2, LSA equal perimeter by height. It will be 36 by 2 equal 72 centimeters square. Then base area, length by width equal 10 by 8 equal 80 centimeters square. TSA equal LSA plus 2 times base area. Here he didn't tell me that the cuboid without a lid. No, if he didn't tell me it's without a lid, so we consider it with a lid. Okay, it LSA plus 2 times base area equals 72 plus 2 times 80, it will be 232 centimeters squares. A cuboid of a square base with side length 20 centimeter and its height length equal 40 centimeter. Okay, let's make the steps. Perimeter of base, side by 4. Why side by 4? Because he tell me that it's a square base. So side by 4, 20 by 4 equal 80 centimeter. LSA, perimeter by height, equal 80 by 40, 3200 centimeters square. Base area equal side by side, 20 by 20, 400. TSA equal LSA plus 2 times base area equals 3200 plus 2 times 400 equal 4000 centimeters square. A room, its length is 5 meter, its width is 4 meter, and its height 3.2 meter. It is wanted to paint it lateral and ceiling. The cost price of 1 square meter is LE8. Calculate the required cost. Okay. Knowing that the room has 2 windows and door, their areas are 8 meters square. When we want to paint any room, we paint the wall with material and the doors and windows with another material. So here, if we want to paint a room, we have to calculate the total area of the room. So total area of the room minus the area of doors and windows. Okay, let's see how to calculate this example. First step, perimeter of base, length plus width by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2 equal 18 centimeter. LSA equal perimeter by height, it will be 18 by 3.2 equal 57.6 centimeters square. Then base area, length by width, 5 by 420. TSA equal LSA plus base area. Here, why we didn't put 2 base area? Because we didn't paint the land, the floor. احنا ما بندهنش الأرض. Okay, so it will, we considered here as cuboid without a lid. So 57.6 plus 20 equals 77.6. TSA without the area of windows and doors, so 77.6 minus 8, 69.6 centimeters square. he told me that the cost price of square meter is 8, so we will multiply 69.6 by 8 equal 556.8. Thank you.